solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. For example, lemonade, soda water. These are the examples of the solution, homogeneous solution. Generally, when we discuss about solution, it only comes in our mind that it must be a liquid. Okay, but there are solid solutions also and gaseous solutions also. The solid solutions named as alloys. Alloy, what is alloy? Alloy is a mixture of two or more metals, or a metal and a non-metal. It means it is a mixture of either two metals or one metal with one non-metal. Okay, and from alloys, the constituting elements, they can't be separated by the physical methods. You can't separate them physically. The example of alloy is, generally we can't make jewelry of pure gold. Okay, so we mix some impurities in the form of either copper or silver in gold to make it so that we can make jewelry. Okay, so that is alloy. Another is, you can take brass. What is brass? In brass, 70% is copper. We write symbolically copper by writing capital C and small u. Okay, plus 30% zinc. Zinc we write capital Z, small n. This is the example of solid solutions. Okay, solution, in solution there are two components. One is called solute and other is called solvent. That component which is present in small amount is called solute, and that component which is present in large amount is called solvent. That component which is present in small amount is called solute, and that component which is present in large amount, that is called solvent. You can also remember it by counting the number of alphabets present in the spellings. Here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So having small number of alphabets, it means that is present in small amount. Okay, having 7 number of alphabets in solvent. Okay, so that is present in large amount. This is the trick to remember, which is present. Solute is present in small amount, solvent is present in large amount. Some other examples are sugar in water. In this case, sugar is solute, water is solvent. Second is iodine and alcohol. Iodine is solid, alcohol is liquid. The combination or the mixture of iodine and alcohol is known as tincture of iodine. It is used in hospitals to for the cure of cut mark, etc. It is of purple or the blue colored solution. Then third one is aerated drinks like soda water. In that case, when you open the bottle, okay, when you will open that bottle, a fizz sound comes out. That is gas, carbon dioxide, that comes out of that bottle. It means this is gas in a liquid. Gas is solute and liquid is solvent. Okay, the next is air, is also a mixture in which is 70, for example 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen is there. So this is the example of in which solute is air as well as solvent is air. For example, in this case you can consider oxygen as solute, nitrogen as solvent.